Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Of course, for checking you can use mobile data, but for downloading the update, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi to avoid some additional charges, because the files of the update are quite large. Alright, so let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates, and then tap on Software Update at the top. So now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you've got this relevant information. However, the second scenario will show you the information that you've got the software to download. Your device will of course show you the info about the new version, so what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and of course apply the update. Of course, you can tap on check for the updates if you're not sure whether your device checked for it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.